go. It's get my other glove on. It's 7 a.m. Saturday. Yeah, that's the snow behind my car. Not a lot of snow on the car, but a lot of snow behind it. But yeah, a half hour ago, I walked down these steps. You would never know it. There's wow, I'm standing right now on a snowbank that's well, I don't know if you can see that. Just standing in that, and there's my little bare spot. And I have walked up and down this sidewalk right there multiple times since 4 in the morning, 3 hours. And each time I come out, you would never know. I'd walk there. You would never know it at all. It's daylight though, which is kind of nice. But the snow right now is coming down. It seems at even a much heavier rate. Looks like a plow truck has actually gone by since I've been out here. Looks like they've gone by more than once. But still, it seems kind of, well, wouldn't say pointless, but well, makes a difference, but doesn't seem like it makes much of a difference at all. Down the road where I've stand here, there's a blinking light down there. I can't even see it at this point in time. It's back to snowing that heavy. Same way down there. I normally could see almost a mile down that road, and I can barely see half a block, and that's with the daylight. Now, this is the crappy direction. This is right into the snow. I'm going to turn back around, as I'm sure you can hear. The wind is pretty relentless. It is just blowing and blowing. When's this going to stop? That's the unanswered question right now. When is this going to stop? Now, no, there's a vehicle. Where are they coming from? Oh, here's that guy in the SUV. He's been driving around, tooling around. What's that? Oh yeah.
Fun stuff.
Have fun. Here's somebody in a car, and they're gonna have one hell of a time getting moving now. They'll get it going in a moment. Back it up. You can't tell, but there is a very slight incline there, and that little incline screws with people all the time. There you go. Almost got it. It's just a slight little incline. It just messes with you just enough to ruin your moment for a moment. There he goes. And away he goes. That thing is a small incline. Imagine if they get stuck on a hill. There they go. Not even half a block away and can't even see him anymore. But yeah, that guy who stopped and asked me if I was documenting this, he's been driving around. Whew, probably the past hour or so. I've seen him flying around here. He blew through the stop sign once. Oh man, there goes that wind. And I don't know how well this is being picked up right now, but oh, it is just humming. Oh, it's blowing. Wow. This is probably the worst it's been so far. I mean, everything just kind of disappeared there for a moment. Everything just... Yeah, the wind and the snow just kind of speaks for itself right there. Trees bouncing up and down. Oh, jeez. There comes a vehicle. It's so crazy out here, you don't hear them. You don't even see them at times. They just appear. Off he goes to plow someone's driveway. No, so we're at the 7-minute mark this time, and wow. Here I'm back in the road. This is right facing the wind. Wow, that sucks. Oh. Wow. Whew. Hey, this is crazy out here. Absolutely crazy. And if we're just now starting to get the worst of it, it sucks. It sucks big time. And here comes another plow guy. Off he goes. And watch. He's a half a block away. Barely see him. He's at a half a block. If it wasn't for that strobe on the top of his vehicle, you would never know he was there at all. Now he's about a block away and he's gone. Unreal. Wow. The amazing part is these little bare spots like this and that. Whew. I swear it was warmer at 4 a.m. than it is right now. It seems the wind has gotten worse the past half hour. And it's sad part is hell, time to head back in. But here's the thing, is where I just walked 10 minutes ago is completely covered back up. Completely. Where I was walked down those steps 10 minutes ago, you would never know it. I stood right there and you would never know it.
What are you doing? A video?
And there's Art pushing snow.
Show me a spot.
The sad part is, oh, the wind. Woo! Unreal. Alright. See you in a half hour. Oh, if I can get up the damn steps.
Yeah, I told you what.
Oh.
Damn.